Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can record fixed asset from supplier invoice on Bokio accounting software. So firstly, we need to add the supplier invoice. So we need to go to suppliers and purchases, click on supplier invoices and click on new invoice. Here I will upload receipt, and I have receipt from Tech Limited. Click open. Now I can choose a supplier, so I have Tech Limited added already, or I can add a new supplier if required. Select an invoice date, so in my case it's 19/08, and due date is actually 18/09 based on invoice information. Amount is 680, system have read it correctly, and I can add the invoice number, which is INV 27771. Create and continue. Now I need to select where I want to allocate, and this one is office computer, so I will have, let's check for equipment. There is office equipment and IT code, so I can click there. And now this is important. System already asks that if this is a fixed asset, and in my case it is, so definitely tick this box, record as fixed asset. You can add more details in comment section if required, and then click next. Now journal entry will be recorded, so there will be office equipment for 680 and trade creditors 680 because this invoice has been not paid yet, and click record. Now on right hand side we need to select details about this office equipment of this laptop. In my case, lifetime will be 3 years and depreciation frequency will be annually or yearly selected and on straight line method or straight line basis, and click save details. If this invoice has been paid, I can register payment directly and add details and click register payment. If I go back to my accounting section and click on my fixed assets, my office equipment for 680 for laptop have been added here, and there are all details provided below. I can delete this asset from asset register, or I will be able to depreciate at the end of financial year. So this is the way how you can record fixed asset on Bokio accounting software once you add a supplier invoice on this software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Bokio tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.